Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find your language best teacher from an app, and that is absolutely free. So check it out. First you have to go to the Play Store, then search Cambly. Then you have to click on install. It's loading. So open it. Then you have to sign up. You can continue with Google account. I'm selecting anything. So it's your plan, how you will choose your plan, it depends on you. So from here you can search for the tutors like this. Look at this. There are so many tutors. It's in English. So look, there are some options: grammar lesson, pronunciation lesson, LTS preparations, accents. There are so many different types of things that you can learn from here. And that's for free. So guys, thank you for enjoying this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel and keep supporting us. Thank you guys.